Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change the subtitle settings on the Hitman 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hitman game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, just navigate to the options at the top right corner. Once you click on options, you will see various different settings that you can change. Now to change your subtitle settings, just click on language first, and now you will see the subtitles menu. You can just click on the subtitles option to toggle it on or off. If you turn it on, you can also define the size of the subtitles that appear within your game. Now above the subtitles menu, you will also see the text language, which you can click on in order to change the language of your subtitle. After making your desired changes, just tap the escape button to go back, and your changes will be saved automatically. You can now start enjoying your game with your chosen subtitle settings right away, and you may go back to this page at any time in order to enable or disable your subtitle at any point of time in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable subtitles within the Hitman 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.